Listen.
Amen.
Amen. Don't let the corrupt world corrupt your character. Does not the Bible say, don't let bad character corrupt you? Let me shock you. Let me shock you with something. Did you know that when you are in the wrong company of friends, you are always out of the will of God? Amen. Now you know. Oh man, let me phrase that again. I know you've got questions. When you are always with the wrong people company, you must know you forever in a wrong company. You are not in the will of God. You are out of the will of God. Wait on. Oh, chapar, wait a minute. Unabangane sibathandayo, mara banankulunkulu. Mina zange ngithi ba reject. That is why prayer is a powerful force. But the problem is one with you. When you're among them, when they speak their language, you are entertained. They are not afraid to tell you about the evil they do. But when you are afraid to show the light, which is Christ in you, you compromise your mission. When you are with friends, listen, there's a difference between or is somewhere. I don't blame you for that. But you know who you among friends. Whereas the scholar corner your pusa your dog, you steal company. Did you? That's why I'm a coisa when they come for the thieves. Naban Bamba. But Tolu the other one, I can see but for the fact of the company, all of them they go. With God is the same thing. That's why the Bible said, blessed is the man that does not participate in the counsel of the ungodly. He shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water. If they speak about Baal into Zumhlaba, when Ukulumangani, we are born about but you forever after them. When you are in the wrong company, you are corrupt. I don't say hate them. Pray for them, but let them know your stand. The reason why they don't know your stand is because of when you are the church people, you act like them. But when you are in the darkness, in the secret, you act like those people. That's why you can't even bring them to church, because they know who you are. They know who you are. They know your secret. They know your darkness. They know the evil you do together.